this is Choco, and I want to thank you for coming to my channel. And I wanted to go into exactly what we're going to be doing on this channel. First, we're going to be doing beauty, fashion, clothing, food, maybe some travel. And so the reason that I made this channel was due to I was trying to find products that help my skin because I have dry and sensitive skin, and also that fit my skin complexion. So I was really searching, trying to find things that I could test to see how they work with my body type and also how they work with my skin. And I thought that would be the best thing to bring it to you to see all the things that I try and go on this journey with me and trying to find the perfect item for me in my journey. And so I just want to thank everyone for stopping by, and if you like this channel, please hit the subscribe button.